Welcome back. It's me, Nicole. We're so excited that again today we have another guest reader to share one of their favorite stories with us. So open your ears and listen along.
Hello everyone, my name is Ilke Oner and it's my pleasure today to read you one of our favorite books at home. The name of today's book is Scruffy Bear and the Lost Ball from Wormell. Wormell has also other wonderful stories like One Smart Fish, George and the Dragon, and another Scruffy Bear story, but I must tell you this is our very favorite. So let's get going. Scruffy Bear and the Lost Ball. One day, a red ball came flying through the air towards Scruffy Bear, so he kicked it. It flew straight up in the air and disappeared among the branches of an oak tree. Scruffy Bear waited for the ball to come down, but it didn't. Just then, 4 rabbits appeared. "Have you seen our ball?" they asked. "Ball?" exclaimed Scruffy Bear. "Was it a red one?" "Yes," said the rabbits, nodding. "A shiny new red one." "Oh," said Scruffy Bear a little guiltily. "I think it may be up in this tree." They all looked up, waiting for the ball to come down, but it didn't. "Must be caught among the branches," suggested Scruffy Bear, "but I'll soon get it down. I'm an excellent tree climber." Actually, Scruffy Bear had never climbed a tree in his life. It was much harder than he thought, and when he had gone only a little way up, the ground looked a very long way down. The rabbits were joined by 6 white mice, and they all looked up at Scruffy Bear balancing on a branch. "What's that?" called one of the rabbits. "I can see something red among those leaves over there." Scruffy Bear saw the red thing too, and inched his way along the branch, being careful not to look down. He reached over and was about to grab the red thing when... "Oi! What are you doing?" demanded Squirrel. "Leave my tail alone!" Scruffy Bear got such a shock he very nearly fell off the branch. "Sorry, I was looking for a ball," he explained. "I am not a ball," snapped Squirrel. "No, you're nothing like one," agreed Scruffy Bear, climbing back along the branch. A little higher up, Scruffy Bear found a hole in the trunk. "The ball must have gone in here," he thought. "Have you found it yet?" called one of the rabbits from below. "Nearly," replied Scruffy Bear. He was just peering into the hole when... "Who are you?" hooted Owl crossly. "Poking your nose into my bedroom in the middle of the day too." Poor Scruffy Bear got such a shock he rolled right over backwards and nearly fell off the branch. "Sorry," he said, quickly climbing further up the tree. Up and up he climbed, and now he was so high he could no longer hear the rabbits or the mice or even see the ground down below. He felt a bit giddy. At the very top of the tree, he found a great nest of sticks. "That ball must be in here for sure," he thought, and was just about to peep into the nest when... "Thief! Thief!" squalled a huge bird with a long, sharp beak. It was a stork. "You're after my eggs, aren't you?" "No, I'm not," protested Scruffy Bear. "I'm after a ball." "A ball? There are no balls here, only eggs." "Are you sure?" asked Scruffy Bear. "How many eggs do you have?" "Why, 4, of course. I can count, you know." "You have 5 now," said Scruffy Bear. And one of them is red. Red? cried the stork. That's not my egg. No, it's my ball, said Scruffy Bear. He was just picking up the ball when one of the stork's eggs began to crack, and out popped a baby stork. This time, Scruffy Bear did fall. Down, 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 faster and faster and faster. And when he reached the ground, he bounced. Thought I'd come down the quick way, he said. And he bounced again and again and again. That afternoon, they all played a game of football. Scruffy Bear and the 6 white mice against the rabbits. The rabbits won. 24 goes to 23. And that would be the end. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks a lot and bye.
Tap the Magic Tree. Written and illustrated by Christie Matheson. Read with permission by HarperCollins Children's Books. There's magic in this bare brown tree. Tap it once, turn the page to see. Tap again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tap again, even more. Rub the tree to make it warm. Touch each bud and see what forms. Give the tree a little jiggle. That's it. Now make your fingers wiggle. Brush away the petals, swish, and blow the tree a tiny kiss. Shake the tree. Plop, 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 kerplop. Knock, knock on the trunk. Then stop. Pat the leaves. Be gentle, please. Aha! Now blow a whooshing breeze. Clap your hands to bring the snow. Okay, be patient. Wait, don't go. Close your eyes and count to 10. Magic! It begins again. The end. Thank you for taking your time to listen with us today and to share with our special guest their love of stories. We hope to see you next week at the same time for online story time.